If you're selling a car in Georgia, transferring the title is a key step to make the sale official and protect both you and the buyer. You'll be filling out the assignment section on the back of the title, so it's important to do it carefully. Start by using blue or black ink only. Any scratch-outs or changes can void the title, and changing the sale date can lead to a penalty fee. Before selling, make sure the vehicle is titled in your name unless you're a licensed dealer. Then, write the buyer's full legal name exactly as it appears on their Georgia driver's license or state ID, along with their current address. Record the date of the sale, including the month, day, and year. Next, enter the odometer reading in whole miles. Don't use decimals. If the odometer has rolled past its limit or doesn't reflect the actual mileage because it's broken, replaced, or repaired, check the right box to indicate that. As the seller, print and sign your name. If more than one person owns the car, each owner must print and sign. For a company sale, include the company's name, the printed name of the authorized agent, their signature, and their position in the company. The buyer then prints and signs their name as well. If there's more than one buyer, each must print and sign. Once everything is filled out neatly and completely, the title is ready for the buyer to register the vehicle in their name.